Hi, my name is Greg Paglia, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about lead generation for beginners. So whether you're a marketing person at a big company, maybe you're just a painter who paints houses for a living, you're a landscaper, anyone in the service industry, this is really going to benefit you. So today's buyer has changed. It's not enough just to have a website and have it sit there statically, and hopefully someone finds you on Google and they fill out a request a quote form or contact us, and now you have a sales lead. People do research all the time. They want to see videos, they want to see content, they want to read, they want to do their own research before contacting anybody. So the companies that have the most content usually win. So the first thing is you want to show up in Google results. It's no kidding that everybody goes to Google before they do anything. And how you do that is by creating a lot of content. You need to write articles that answer the questions that your customer always has. Say you're a painter that paints houses. You know, people probably go on your website and contact you and say, "How much do you charge per room? Do you have to buy the paint first before you come here? Do you charge per hour? How long do I have to wait? How long does my dog have to wait in the basement?" Whatever it may be, you probably hear these questions every single day. You need to answer these on your website in the form of a blog post because some people like reading stuff, and you need to make a video showing, answering that question so someone has a visual, a vision of who you are, how you talk, how you speak, and you answer those questions so that when they finally contact you, they say, "Hey, Greg, come to my house. I got 2 bedrooms. I got a dog that's gonna be in the basement for 2 hours. I'm expecting that. I bought enough food and treats for him to be there. So I'm ready to come on by." You said, "Simple, sounds good. Be right there." You don't have to answer 100 questions on the phone when someone contacts you. People love video. Just take your phone out. The phones are good enough nowadays. Take your phone out. If you're a painter, go around a couple rooms, just do a couple before for 10 seconds, and when you're done, do after. But when you get home, put it on your website, put it on your YouTube channel. That way, people out there can see your work and know what you do. It's better than someone else that has nothing on their site. What are the chances you're going to get contacted versus them? Um, and another thing is you want to have a website with a contact us or request a quote page and a form where they write a comment in, because that's where you're going to get those questions. Hey, how much do you charge per room? Do I have to buy the paint? They're going to ask you those questions on that form there. And the thing is, you keep it on there because the questions are always going to be new. There's going to be new paint coming out. Can I get this paint? Can you do that? You're going to keep getting those questions over and over and over again, and that's how you listen, you rinse and repeat. New questions are coming in, answer them through written, answer them through video, put them on your website and YouTube channel. That's all you got to do. That's how you build leads. You don't want to be spending money on Google ads and YouTube ads and social media ads and all that junk. As soon as the money stops with Google ads or whatever, you stop showing up. Content lasts forever. People love it. They want to educate themselves before they contact you. And that's it. Hope you learned at least one thing new today, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.